Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. So in all three videos I have taught you the chapter about the three billy goats, the female goats. So let's take a short revise. But before starting the chapter, again I am requesting you to please you can complete your homework at a time, so that whenever school will open I am going to check you all the homework, so you can complete your homework in a legible handwriting and use the dark pencil. So take a short look of the chapter that about the three billy goats. So in this chapter we have the five characters. So let's see the which one is the five character, which the first one is storyteller, the second one is the big billy goat, third is the middle billy goat, then fourth is the small billy goat, and the last one is troll. So five characters are there in this story. Then first of all the storyteller, they have introduced all three billy goats, that small billy goats, and he lived along the river and he eats lots of grass. Then the middle billy goat also, he lives also the near the river and he also eats lots of grass. Every time he is eating the lots of grass. Then the big billy goats, he is also likes to eat the grass, and every time he is also every time he likes to eat the grass. So every time he is eating the grass, lots of grass. Then one day what happened, that one day the grass will finished nearby the river, and all goats become very hungry and they wants to eat again lots of grass, but there is no grass on the river side. Then they saw that there was a river over the bridge, and the another part there was a lots of grass. Then the storyteller said that you can go there, but there was a one problem, that one evil person are there who is living on the bridge, and he was also very hungry and he wants to eat lots of goats. So if you will go over the bridge, then maybe he will eat you. Then the all three goats, they had made a plan that how we will go over the bridge. Then they had made the plan, and then the first small billy goat, they just went over the bridge. Then a sound came, then the troll will came over the bridge. Then he said that who are you? Then the small billy said that I am a small billy goat and I want to eat the lots of grass, so please let me go. After me the middle goat will come, so that you can eat that middle goat. Then the troll said, okay, I will let you to go, so you can go. Then I will wait for the middle billy fat, because I am also very hungry and I want to eat goat. Then the smaller one will went over the bridge. Then after, the middle goat will overcome the bridge. Then again the sound came, then again the troll came over the bridge, and he asked that who are you? See, because I am very hungry and I want to eat the goat. Then he asked that who are you? Then he said that I am the middle goat and I am also very hungry, so I want to eat the grass, so please let me go over the bridge so that I can eat the grass. Then the middle goat said that after me the big billy goat will come, you can eat that goat. Then the troll leave the goat also, middle goat. Then he is just waiting the big belly fat. Then again the big belly fat came. Then he just again the sound will come. Then again the troll will came over the bridge. Then again the big belly goat said that it's me, I'm big belly goat, please let me go because I'm very big fat and also I'm very hungry. Then troll said, am I'm also hungry and I also want to eat eat you. Then then the big goat, they had what? They just put his head down, and he roll at the troll, and the troll will just fell down on the river, and then the splash came the sound, and after that he has never came out from the river. So that it's that much in this story. I hope you understood the chapter, and I told you that in this video I am going to give you the word related from this chapter. So let's start. Then your first word is Billy. Right, Billy Goats. Write down this spelling. B as in banana, I as in ice cream, L as in lion, L as in leopard, and Y as in yak. Goat. G as in girl, O as in orange, A as in apple, T as in tiger. So what comes like BILLYGOATS, goats. Next word is lot. Write down this spelling. L as in lion, O as in orange, and T as in tiger. So word comes like LOT, lot. Next word is hungry. Write down this spelling. H as in horse, U as in umbrella, N as in nose, G as in goat, R as in rose, and Y as in U. So what comes like HUNGRY, hungry. So I will give you the more words in next videos. For that you just watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day and enjoy your online classes.